Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest tips and tricks for maintaining healthy hair. Thinning hair is a constant worry for many people. We've rounded up some ways to help slow down hair loss. Come and check them out. Number 1. Try ice packs on scalp. An itchy scalp is a sign of hair loss and needs to be taken seriously. When this happens, you can gently place an ice pack over your head to keep your scalp cool and moist. Of course, if you can handle the coolness, it's also a good option to take a cold shower. Number 2. Apply green tea to your hair. Studies have shown that having some green tea on your scalp may help reduce hair loss. All you need to do is pour 2 bags of green tea into a cup of water, let it cool and apply to your hair. Rinse your hair thoroughly after an hour. After doing this for about a week, you may find that your hair loss slows down. Number 3. Use hair conditioner. Dry hair is more likely to break, leading to more hair loss when combing. You can try to apply a conditioner after washing your hair to increase moisture and strength and reduce the likelihood of hair loss. Number 4. Get anti-hair loss shampoo. When choosing a shampoo, you can opt for one that contains biotin, zinc, and B vitamins. Such shampoo helps increase volume and thickness, making hair look fuller. Number 5. Brush your hair gently. Washing or combing your hair too hard can cause hair follicles and hair loss. So it's highly recommended to brush your hair gently, even if it's too tangled. Number 6. Rub pumpkin seed oil on scalp. A 2014 study found that participants who took 400 milligrams of pumpkin seed oil for 6 months had a 40% increase in hair volume. So you can try rubbing pumpkin seed oil on your scalp for 10 minutes during the shower and then rinsing it off. Do this for a month, and you might be pleasantly surprised with the results. Number 7. Try a scalp massage. To prevent hair loss and stimulate hair growth, you can try a scalp massage. According to research, scalp massages can help increase hair thickness and promote hair growth by stretching hair follicle cells and dilating blood vessels. So when you're tired, try a head massage to relax and help your hair grow. Number 8. Manage your stress. Long-term exposure to high stress is also an important cause of hair loss. In this case, you can build up healthy life habits, such as having a healthy diet and getting enough sleep. Meditation and exercise are also great ways to reduce stress and protect your hair volume. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more hair care tips and tricks. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments section below. Until next time, take care of your hair and stay healthy.